Sonoma was an interesting product. One of the properties that had a house on it was actually DA approved for 12 apartments. But these apartments were the typical apartment that everyone was building, which was the 110 square metre investor product, because historically that was the product that everyone thought they should be building. I acquired that site and decided that instead of building the 12 apartments, I should acquire the site next to it and I should build residences. We decided to throw the DA in the bin and begin the redesign process, and we came up with 14 residences. I'm very proud of what the company did at Sonoma. It was a great effort from all the team, all the way through, from design to completion to the construction time frame, and most importantly the way we look after the customers when they've bought in there.
Up the hill at Noosa a bit, and right next to the National Park, sits another truly majestic Castle Bay creation. It's a 3-bedroom penthouse home worth $2.5 million. Marc calls it The View, and you can see why.
This is actually one of the first experiences I've seen where a developer can turn 4 properties into 2. No one was really interested in it because it was pink and it had these lovely arches that dated it architecturally. It was very run down because no one, I don't think, had ever looked at the garden. The pool was green, the pool did exist, but you couldn't even see it. We looked at it and thought, we can do something with this. Demolish the walls, make some changes, bring it up to the standard of our product, and pretty much create 2 exclusive penthouses.
Over the last year and a half, I've really set the benchmark in where builders need to be on the Sunshine Coast.
Robert Dunbar is the boss of the master builders on the Sunshine Coast. Castle Bay won a record 5 awards.
Last year won an award for a renovation under $100,000, and they also won an award for a home built in the $1 million. They also won an award for a house built on a small lot, which is obviously something that's very, very difficult to A, design, and B, build. It can be really broken down into 3 points. One is the customer service that they have with their clients, both prior to the construction phase, during the construction phase, then after the construction phase. The other thing is the design element of their project. You've got to be able to design a project that A, works with the block of land that they're building to, and B, works with the climate that we're living in. If Castle Bay projects continue along the way that they have over the last 18 months, they will be the leader, they will be the standout building company here on the Sunshine Coast.
But creation is fun. Doing your best is fun. It doesn't matter whether you're playing tennis or golf or squash or whatever you're doing. Challenging yourself is fun. Doing your best is fun. Creating things like Sonoma, creating things like View is fun. The comments you get about, wow, I couldn't believe this building could ever look this good, that's fun. Makes everybody feel good.